This is the Monkey Business Chill Bill Fridge Deodorizer that I got off of Amazon. This company makes deodorizers for the fridge, for closets, for shoes. So I wanted to try this one out because it's really cute. So all you have to do is add baking soda and stick it in the refrigerator. Grab some baking soda and fill it up. So I love this idea because I always buy the big boxes of baking soda because I use them for cleaning. So this way you can just change out the baking soda every time you need to freshen this up a little bit. So, got my baking soda in there. And now I'm just gonna put this back on here. It's so cute. All right, just gonna put it in the refrigerator. That is so cute.